Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to be learning how to create your own music using AI, artificial intelligence. So without any further ado, let's jump straight to the
breaking the
video.
code. DIY hacks with a cinematic mode. From the apps to the gear, we review it all. Gadget game strong, got the future on.
Okay, I'm going to jump straight into my computer to show you how we're going to create this video from using AI, and we're going to be using ChatGPT to create our lyrics. Then we're going to go to a brand new website called Suno AI, where we are going to create our lyrics. So I'm going to walk you through how you're supposed to do this and get satisfactory results. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into my PC and I'm going to be showing you how to do this. Yeah, so we are into my PC and we are on ChatGPT right now. So on ChatGPT, let's say you want to create a song about fake life. Let's just say fake life. Okay, so ask ChatGPT, create our lyrics about fake life. This music, you have to give the prompt properly for it to create you the right music or the right length which you need for this song. So you see, this song is intended to portray that the world we live in is fake, with the coming of social media. Alright, this is supposed to be a rap, and no, this is supposed to be a rap song with hip hop and Andrea vibes. I suck at typing. Andrea vibes. Okay. Intended to have two verses, comma, a chorus, comma, an intro and outro. Let's just say this is the structure of the music I want to create. Yeah, let's give this and see what it generates. Then from there we can fix it. Alright, so let's send this to ChatGPT. Title is fake life. So like, you see, so it's like, let's go through it. Okay, I think I like this already. Yes, I like this. Okay, so once your lyrics is generated, what you have to do is you have to copy these lyrics into, you have to copy this. Let me just copy the title. I'll copy, then I'll create a new Google Sheet. Sorry about that. Then I'm gonna paste these lyrics into it. Once I paste these lyrics, guys, I'm just gonna edit it a little bit. I'm gonna remove all the headings and everything that I don't want it to be into the song. I'm gonna edit all of this. Okay, I'm going to edit this as well. Let's see. Okay, so I think I really like what is here, so just go right up. I'll remove. Okay. Yeah, so we have the title fake life. You start here scrolling through the lines like sketching high. Okay, so this is it. So the next site which we are going to go into is called Suno AI. So you're just gonna type Suno AI on Google search. Okay, this is the first option. So this is the site which we are going to be creating the music. So we are going to import the lyrics from ChatGPT that we've gotten and we've edited in Google Docs. We are going to input this lyrics into this site for it to generate us the beat and the raps and everything using the lyrics that we've provided it with. So it's asking us to sign up. So if you've never been to the site, you need to sign up. I might speed up this section just for the sign up process to go a little bit faster.
Lights on, lens up, time to get real. JT Pixel, sharpen your skill from pixels to power. We show you build. Clicks you edit, now don't make it cheap. Lights on, lens up.
Alright, so what we're gonna do here, you're going to come to create. When you come to create, you're going to see this tab where you say describe your song. Here you can just copy the lyrics. Let's see. You don't want the instrumentals only. If you just want to create a beat, you can describe the song and put the beat. That is not what we want. We want to take add lyrics. Okay. Instead of describing your song, if you describe your song only, it's going to create the lyrics from the description like what we put into ChatGPT. But what I found is this site does not really gives you accurate lyrics like ChatGPT will do. So it's better to create your lyrics in ChatGPT, then you bring it into this site. Yes, so once you have your lyrics, we can now go back to our lyrics. We highlight all of our lyrics, and we copy. Once you copy, you come into this site and you paste. Yep, once you paste, now you can now add the style to the song. You can now add the style. So I'll just go through this pre-made styles and see. I don't want Afrobeat, rap, country. I want something like hip hop. Speed rap is not bad. Jazz hip hop. No, I don't want a jazz hip hop. I want just hip hop. Okay. So if I don't have the options here, I can just put a comma and then type hip hop. Then I put a comma. I can type drill. I can put a comma and type male. I want it to be a male voice. Put a comma, type around 21st century. Century. Okay, I think that's enough for the style. And what's the song title? Remember, our song title was Fake Life. So you can just type Fake Life. Then you can just double check. Always double check your work, guys. Always double check your work. And if it's good to go, then you can take create. To be seeing this, guys, I'm gonna use my headphones. So he has given me two options, the first option and the second option. So let's play the first option and listen.
Scroll through the lives, like stacking high. It's a game we play, but nobody win. Welcome to the fake life. Fake life, everybody flexing for the gram. Smiles fake, hearts cold, they don't give a damn. Filters on, but the soul got a glitch. Chasing clout, but it never make you rich. Fake life, where the real ones go and ghost. Posting dreams, but inside feeling broke. In a world full of lies, what's the cost? Scrolling down, trying to find what we lost. Fake chains, fake friends, fake umbrella replies. Fake love in the DMs, for buried in disguise. Everybody got a story, but they all been revised. Highlight real clean, but they cried in the night. Influence a mindset, chasing that blue tick. Selling you a dream with a brand deal.
Oh, this is nice.
Perfection, every shot got a hit. But behind the scenes, they don't wanna admit. They lonely, low-key, staring at screens. Looking for some love, in a sea full of memes. Selling their soul for engagement schemes. In a digital world, nothing's what it seems. Fake life, everybody flexing for the gram. Smiles fake, hearts cold, they don't give a damn. Filters on, but the soul got a glitch. Chasing clout, but it never make you rich. Fake life, where the real ones go and go.
So that's it for the first option. The second option, let me try the second option.
Yeah.
Totality verified.
Scrolling through the highs, like stacking high. It's a game we play, but nobody win. Welcome to the fake life. Fake life, everybody flexing for the gram. Smiles fake, hearts cold, they don't give a damn. Filters on, but the soul got a glitch. Chasing clout, but it never make you rich. Fake life, where the real ones going ghosts. Posting dreams, but inside feeling broke. In a world full of likes, what's the cost?
Yeah guys, one thing you have to note about these songs is that, one thing you need to know about creating songs like that is that they are free to use. You can use them on your YouTube platform. Like the song that I played at the intro of this video, it's a song that I generated using this AI, and it's really dope. It's helping me for my YouTube channel without getting copyright strikes and things like that. So it's really helpful for YouTubers to use this. But note, you have to subscribe. This website comes with a paid plan, which you pay about $8 per month and $24 per month for the premier plan. And with these plans, you can use the songs for monetary purposes. You can monetize the songs. You can use it as any platform that you want. But for now, when you're creating the free plan, you have no commercial use for these videos, so you can use it to make money. You can sell those songs out there, and as well you can't use them anyhow on YouTube. So that's what you need to know about. So if you like a site like this and you think it's gonna help you in your business, then it's good to sign up for a site like this. Okay guys, that has been it for the tutorial. This is JT Pixels. If you like videos like this, please do not forget to like, do not forget to share, give a thumbs up, subscribe. Most importantly, I'm just a young YouTuber trying to grow my channel. A sub will be a plus for me to create more videos like this, so do not forget to. Until next time guys, it has been JT Pixels, and catch you on the next one. Ciao.
Chasing clout, but it never make you rich.